Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all. Okay, so right now I am going to see what the market wants to do. So, um, as I thought from yesterday's trade on Euro USD, I thought it was gonna take this low after it liquidated this buy side right here. I took shorts somewhere over here, but it ended up taking a little more liquidity, pulled back into this area, and then is currently at the area at the buy side liquidity. I don't think I'm gonna look to buy here because there isn't a lot of liquidity up here. I mean, other than this, and we have more reason to come down because this is a daily fair value gap right here. A weekly, no, a daily that it still hasn't tapped into. So, I know it looks like it tapped into it here, but it didn't, not yet. Look, see, it hasn't tapped. So, that's my draw on liquidity right now. This gap, on the daily. So. Oh, wow, okay. So AU is doing its thing. So for GU, I guess the same thing, but my draw on liquidity is lower. And since GU's draw on liquidity is that low, I guess the next draw on liquidity would also be this low right here. So yeah. Keep in mind we have this low right here, so I want to take buys below here. If a buy opportunity presents itself. For NQ, ES, and YM, the crazy thing is I do see NQ going up right now. So I kind of want to take this buy right here because it's almost 7 a.m. Drawn liquidity would be like up here. But I guess I have to keep in mind this low. It hasn't been taken out yet, and this low as well. And then on the daily, we're super bearish. So yeah, so things actually ended up going the way I thought they would. It just played around. Like for YM, ended up taking this high out before dropping as well. So yeah, I believe things have flipped bearish for the futures market. And for ES, well, ES, it's just doing its thing, honestly. Like, I don't really want to trade ES. So yeah, I don't really want to trade ES. Just my opinion. Nah, this is crazy. I'm kind of mad about this, I'm not gonna lie, because Hanko trade shouldn't have stopped me out, but you know what? I'm gonna take full responsibility for my actions, even though they were not my fault. But okay, so I think YM is gonna come down to this low and this low. So I think I'm gonna take a sell like over here. Let's see for GU. For EU. Okay, so we took out that low. Next drawn liquidity is this low. It's like right there anyways. So yeah, after it takes out this low, I want to see what it does. So I think I'm going to take a new approach to my trading style because obviously these past few weeks haven't been working out. So instead of just staying on the 1 minute, I want to see what's actually happening on the 5 minute, the 15 minute. I need to pay more attention to that. Yeah, I want to pay more attention to that. So for the DXY, for the Dixie, so it came up under that low pretty aggressively and then came back up. This is a classic 2022. So July 27th should have been an easy day to trade, honestly. This big black candle right here should have been an easy day to trade because of the Dixie being in this. But I don't think I was trading EU on last Thursday. But yeah, that's want to see what these motherfuckers are saying. Con dinero y sin dinero, yo hago siempre lo que quiero. No me muera, tienes que llorar, llorar y llorar. No sé más si estoy muy triste. Se queda con dinero y sin dinero. Hago siempre lo que quiero. Mi palabra es la ley. No trono ni reina, ni nadie que me comprenda. Sigo siendo el rey. En el camino, destino. ¿Quién hay que llegar primero? Pero hay que saber llegar. No, fuck. No te quiero, mi palabra es la ley. No tengo trono ni reina, ni nadie que me comprenda. Yo siendo el rey. Okay, so I think I'm coming to the conclusion that today might be a bullish day, or at least for the silver bullet. But it's not very convincing, the bullishness. But I also don't want to take shorts. So I'm in the middle for NQ and YM. Yeah, I'm really just waiting. I'm just waiting to see what happens. So EU still hasn't taken out the low, but it's very close to doing it. So once it takes out this low, I'm gonna see what the lower time frames want to do in terms of buying. So that's what I'm waiting for right now. No tengo trono ni reina. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna delete all these fucking... What is this anyways? Volume imbalance? Yeah, alright. Well, I'm deleting all this shit. It's fucking useless to me now. I hate when my charts look so clustered, bro. Jeez. Okay, so YM ended up playing out. Of course, it's always the trades that I don't take that play out. You know, this right here was, but you know, you just gotta, whatever, it doesn't fucking matter. But yeah, that was cool, what YM did there. And then, I mean, perhaps we catch a continuation, because we grabbed this high, so right now we're heading for sell side. Alright, that's my thought process. No tengo trono ni reina, pero sigo siendo el rey. Yes, sir. Okay, so I don't know where the fuck GU's headed. Yeah, I really don't know where GU's headed. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I'm gonna add, instead of switching charts every 5 seconds, okay, I'm gonna add a new section. Hold on. Excuse-moi. Okay, so we just grabbed sell side on EU, so that's a thing. No tengo trono ni reina, ni nadie que me comprenda, pero sigo siendo el rey. That's also a old weekly low, so I'm gonna see what gets got from this. And then we also grabbed NQ lows right there. I guess the next stop would be right over here at that low. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I totally thought ES was gonna buy, cause to these highs right here. It could still, honestly, it could still. Like this low could be left perfectly in place and then start rallying up. That's what I think EU is gonna do. I think EU is gonna start going up. Now, GU on the other hand, it's still kind of unclear. Well, it's obviously bearish, but it's unclear to where it would want to. I mean, other than this low, that's like, it's kind of far, I'm not gonna lie. It's like, yeah, it's 100 pips away. It's not getting there today, but, you know, it's kind of in no man's land right now because it hasn't been here since Thursday. So I don't want to risk taking buys, thinking this is liquidity, and then I don't want to take sells. So I'm either it's gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for it to come into like a higher discount area and then sell. But I'm not taking any buys for GU. And EU doesn't look like it wants to go up either. So honestly, yeah, because the DXY is pushing, bro. Jesus. Okay. So daily. Alright, so on the daily we tapped into this Sibby right here. Maybe we get a reaction off the consequent encroachment. We'll see. But yeah, that's the Dixie right here. And then we have these relatively equal highs, but this already got liquidated, so yeah. No tengo trono ni reina, ni nadie que me comprenda, pero sigo siendo el rey. Liquidity hit, let's go. What's up, Ian Christian Soriano? We're also trading in daily fair value gap and Dixie. Yeah, for real. What the fuck just happened? Or was that just me? I'm tripping, maybe. Yeah. Like, I kind of want to take the sell for YM because it tapped into this fair value gap right here. And, like, the drawn liquidity is kind of, like, down here. But it looks iffy to me, and I don't feel good when iffy trades. So, yeah, I'm going to wait to see what ES does. You know, one thing I hate about trading Silver Bullet is I'm restricting myself to only 1 hour of getting an entry. And usually, at least, like, recently, bro, I swear to God, I was killing the Silver Bullet. I'm not gonna lie, I was killing it. Like, before I started streaming, like, you could fucking... The source, just trust me, bro. But, yeah, Silver Bullet was hitting, and then all of a sudden it's not. And maybe because I'm nervous and I'm on stream. That's stupid. I don't get nervous like that. But maybe I'm just a shitty trader. Who knows? That tastes like water. Anyways. So, yeah, I'm looking for some buys on GU. Or not GU, fucking EU. See if we get a reaction off that DXY. Huh? God damn, bro. Like, look at this shit. Pero sigo siendo el rey. I guess the OB would be right here. Hold on. First of all, let me... $102.741. Boom. That's the consequent encroachment right there. Yeah, for NQ is definitely heading to those lows. But I don't really see where I can get in. Other than like up here maybe. But at that point, Alright, so ES just took out some more lows. 15-minute, 1 hour. It's at this negative order block or bearish order block or bullish. I don't really care. It's just an order block. I am shorting altcoins. I don't even know what altcoins you're talking about, bro. How to add more confluence in silver bullet tomorrow trade was a stop loss. What do you mean tomorrow? You mean yesterday? How to add more confluence? See, my friend, it's all about the drawn liquidity. Like, if you got the drawn liquidity correct, usually, I mean, it's not all about it because, as you can see, the past fucking couple of weeks, Nas has been railing me into a fence. Nas and YM both. But that's mainly because of my entries. Like, my entries were just off, or the silver bullet just wasn't hidden. I thought it was going to. Okay, so like for example, if I thought the day was bearish, higher time frame, shit was playing around. Lower time frame, it was going bullish. Right, so like obviously that's expected, but when you have such like conviction of like a drawn liquidity and you think it's gonna go bearish and then market buys on you, it's kind of like you feel defeated. But I don't feel defeated at all, bro. I'm just trading, okay? Just trading. Any suggestion? Crypto futures, Doge, USDT. Crypto futures, buy Bitcoin, bro. This is not financial advice. Bro, I really hope I don't get sued. Fuck you gonna sue me for? Okay, so we're still at a daily for value gap right here. Waiting for sell side to get hit for Nas. I think sell side is gonna get hit, but like all the way down here. So there's just nowhere to sell unless it's like up here on the 15-minute right there. If you draw a fib, yeah, that would be like the fair value gap right there, but I mean, even down here, that's still the fair value gap. So, yeah. ES. Yeah, I'm not really fucking with futures right now. I want to see what EU does. Bro said, nah, bro, your demeanor is sexy AF. Bro, you're tripping. I hope this is a woman behind that screen. Or you're tripping. You're tripping, cut. Anyways, okay, so we have this low right here on GU. That's like the first stop to sell side. But I don't really want to take sells until it comes up into here, somewhere into there. But see, that zone is large as fuck. I forgot I was on the 1 hour. I mean, either way, yeah, it has to retrace some sort of way and then market structure shift. Like, that's the thing. Like, this is a 5-minute chart. It's gonna take for fucking ever to do that, and by the time it does that, it's not gonna be silver bullet anymore. So that's the problem with silver bullet. That's my problem with silver bullet, honestly. So yeah, I'm just complaining. Okay, let me be. So for ES, I want to see this kind of like rally up here. I'm not even gonna lie. So like it took sell side. So what would be the next thing? Buy side, right? So for on the 1 hour, we just took all this fucking sell side. I mean, maybe it wants to tap into here and then tap into here. I don't know, man. Okay, I don't know. Okay. Tap in here maybe. Large ass wick. Okay. Tap into this OB. Okay. Yeah, I still think we're bearish probably. Like, if you think about it, tick buy side, dropped, market structure shifted, 2022 mentorship. Next drawn liquidity would be like right here. Like, bro, this is what I was talking about right here. So like my drawn liquidity was correct this whole fucking week. Like it's August, right? It's been like 2 or 3 days since Monday. My drawn liquidity has been correct this whole fucking week, but my entries weren't. Or matter of fact, bro, my entries was correct. Okay, I was bearish this day. Okay, my entry was correct. I had everything good, except Hanko trade had to fuck me in the ass. Okay, it wicked all the way up here and never went up there. So yeah, man, you know, that's just the struggles of okay, we might have a market structure shift here. Oh wow, so it ended up dropping. That's pretty neat. I still don't believe in this trade, honestly. I don't believe it's gonna go all the way down here. Cause like, I don't know. Anyways, for Euro USD, GBP USD, yes, I don't like trading Forex. For the AM silver bullet, it's just slow as hell, and like nothing's really happening. Bro said trading in the zone. No man, you're trading meter. Oh, for sure. I thought you were saying something else. Bro, do you trade gold? Do you trade gold? What's up, Saeed Amir? Hello. Hello, it's me. Do you trade gold? No, I don't. I do not trade gold. I hate gold. All my homies hate gold. Yeah, I don't like gold. Okay, so I don't think, I mean, unless the next 30 minutes wants to continue up, because like this candle doesn't even have a wick to it, basically, right? We might fill in this little imbalance right here and then continue going up. That's what's a possibility of happening right now. So this is a 1 hour gap right here. So maybe it's gonna want to fill it in or not, you know. So on the daily, it's still going up to the consequent encroachment. If it goes past it, I think I'm not gonna take any trades today. So yeah, that's about it. I might take a buy here. I might take a buy there. Or on the second leg if it gives me one. Yeah, this would have been a nice buy. Kind of market structure shift here. Took an old low. My drawn liquidity is way up here. So, yeah, I think, yeah. Okay, so I think, I don't know what's going on with YM. It's probably still going to keep dropping. But if YM's going to keep dropping, then I don't know about ES. If ES is going to continue bullish, or if it wants to go bullish. See on the 1 hour, yeah, it's grabbed all this liquidity. I believe it's at least gonna come up into here. Um, yeah, okay. So I might be looking for longs. Short term, okay. Long term, still bearish. But we just grabbed this low. But we haven't grabbed this one yet. So, never know. Yeah, I think I'm going to look for an entry on ES. Maybe if it comes back down to this order block right here. Or this breaker. Hold on. I wanna see it actually move though. How do I identify this correct fair value gap in silver bullet? You have to have a narrative. Like why do you think like you have to have logic behind it. Like why do you think price is gonna go to a certain area, and then from there you identify your fair value gap, you know? I can't tell you there are many fair value gaps you could take in silver bullet. It's like, so for example, for YM, I was looking at this fair value gap because I was kind of bearish because it took out this high. Long term, we're also dropping. We took out this liquidity, 930. It kind of did a Jewish swing, and then it took out more liquidity. So my thought process was, okay, it's probably gonna end up to this sell side since it already took all this buy side. So that was my narrative on why I thought it was gonna drop. But like also, if you look at ES, maybe you saw this take out sell side, and then there are relatively equal highs right here. So you get in on this fair value gap because you think it's gonna buy. Like, there are many fair value gaps you can see. So I want to see ES flip bullish from here, maybe take out some more liquidity. Bro, I am also in trade now, short on altcoin. I don't know what altcoin you're talking about, Mr. Arna Deep. Okay, bro, gotta go. Looking for your recap vid. Hey, I appreciate that. Stay hard, bro. You're amazing. I appreciate that, G. Do you use second time frame for silver bullet? No. I'm too broke to pay for that membership. Even if I could afford that fucking $600 per year membership, I'm not buying it. I'm not using the fucking second chart. I'm not a mad scientist like that. I'm in on NASDAQ sell side from 15473 at fair value gap area. Target is 10. Where? What fair value gap? I'm talking about this one. Okay, maybe it respects this order block, perhaps. You know, even if it respects it, I'm gonna wait for a back structure shift and then a pullback to then take it higher. But for ES, basically the same thing. Yeah, basically for ES, the same thing. Dululu. Okay, so this was the first entry, I guess. So I'm gonna wait for a second leg. Oh, that probably was a second leg, or I don't know. But I'm gonna wait for another fair value gap entry. I think this way I'm gonna be much safer with my entries and with my stops. I mean, maybe not with my stops because they'd probably be a bit wider, but yeah. But yeah, we also have this liquidity up here. So that's like another target maybe. But see, higher time frame. Let's see higher time frame. Okay, so we are in this little bit civvy right here. So you gotta be aware of that, you know. I think the problem that I've been having these past couple weeks is I haven't been very careful, so I think that's something I'm gonna be working on these next coming weeks. And I plan to, so I haven't really be having like measurable goals to be hitting because like I'm just trading like. So what I'm gonna try to do is come up with measurable goals and actions that I could take. You feel me? I don't know what the fuck is gonna be like. If y'all have any suggestions, let me know. But nah, like, okay, actually, you know what? For YM, I see it coming maybe up here. You know, you know, maybe up here. Or maybe even up here, but I don't think so. And then dropping a little bit lower. This kind of looks like a good buy right here too, but yeah. Anyways, okay, I'm looking for something on EU. I ain't gonna lie, like I don't really fuck with I'm not really fucking with indices right now. You say you don't need mentorships, bro? What? Who said I need a mentorship? US 100 CFD, bro, not many futures. Let me see. It's talking about. I mean, it's the same chart, bro. It's just different. It's the same chart. All right. Yeah, I think we might be flipping bullish right here. I ain't gonna lie. And I kind of like it. See, this is an example of me being patient. Okay. That shit is loud. Let's go to ES or SPX USD. Yeah, I want to see this thing rip. I don't know about YM because it hasn't taken out liquidity yet. It has taken internal, but you feel me? You feel me? Okay. Let's see what EU's doing. So EU looks like it's bouncing off the consequent encroachment. Ooh. From the daily. So that's kind of, these are the kind of trades I like. Is the Dixie there yet? Yes, it is. Okay, so yeah, I'm definitely looking for some buys on EU, but so where would liquidity be? Up here. This is my opinion. Okay, but also, I mean, we'd also be looking just for the discount zone. So like first take profit would be like up here type shit. I'm not taking this because I haven't seen a proper market structure shift yet, so I'm gonna let it play around, maybe take some more liquidity. And honestly, I think I'm gonna trade past 11 a.m. today because just because I have been seeing. Okay, so maybe ES doesn't want to flip bullish. Yeah, but I'm seeing a lot of trades play out like past 11. So, yeah, man. You said you're not gonna see things as clearly on the one you're on. I'm consistent in trading, bro. What do you mean? You're not gonna see things as clearly as the one you're on. What does that mean? You mean the chart? It's the same chart, bro. Anyways, I mean, even if we do flip a little bullish, we still have the possibility of this holding and then, continuing to the downside. But still looking to see what the fuck EU want to do. So EU looked like it held that fair value gap right there. Let's see if it wants to keep pushing though. Yep. Okay. I hope this isn't a short-term move, because I kind of want to get in there, So I'm getting around like right here. Yeah, but I don't like that stop loss, so I'm gonna put like right here. Okay, hold up. Is that order block holding? It better not be Mr. So it's like right there. Okay, so it tapped. Alright, dope. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my plans ask me. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all the fairy tales are full of shit. Entering in GBP buy side, for sure. It's not the same chart, bro. What do you mean it's not the same chart? What do you mean it's not the same chart? It's the same fucking chart. It might not be the same broker, but it's the same candlesticks. Like, the fuck? Like, look. Okay, I'm not even gonna try explaining it, because obviously you have another conviction, but yeah, it's the same chart. So I'm gonna see what the fuck EU wants to do. GU looks like it's heading up, so that's great. Do you, boo? Not a fairy tales of shit. God damn. Okay. So that just happened. Damn, that's tough. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Is GU holding? Doesn't look like it is. No fairy tales of shit. Just trying to give you advice is not being consistent must suck. Where's your Bugatti? No, I'm just playing. I mean, I appreciate it, but I don't need advice, bro. I'm taking it as it is. I'm taking the punches to the face. I am. I really am. But I'm just taking the shit as it goes, bro. Like, I appreciate you trying to help, but telling me it's the different chart is not helping. Nah, but for real though, like, yeah, I might be switching to London. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, lately, my bias on AM session just hasn't been right. I'm not even gonna say it's the market because it really isn't. It's just me. Okay. I feel like, yeah. Yeah. Okay. If this starts going up, still break structure, I'm getting in again. Okay. Great. He said, my plan in EE. Oh, EU. Can you look at it, Keenan? Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. My bias is currently bullish for EU. Yeah, so it looked like that 5 minute Sibi held, so that's pretty neat. And it looks like it's going lower, so yeah, I'm not really planning to buy indices anytime soon. If anything, it's a clear sell, but that would also mean that EU is selling. So, you know, maybe today's maybe it wants to grab more. I think this is what happened last time. Like, it got to a consequent encroachment. I got in at the first fucking fair value gap I saw, and then it ended up. This is the exact same thing that happened. That's crazy. Okay, so, okay, new rule. I know I've said this like a million times. New rule. I am not taking this shit until the market structure shifts twice. Okay. New rule. Or you know what kind of sucks even more than just losing? It's like, I see some supply and demand trades that I used to take, and I don't take them, obviously. It's not my strategy anymore, but, and then they win, and then my setup loses. It's like, it hurts in the heart, I'm not even gonna lie. But hey, we're here. We're here, bitch. Okay, so it filled in this little imbalance right there. If price starts to break above here, and it gives me a fair value gap to enter in, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. And this is the last fucking time I take a V trade like this. It's V. Okay. Every time I see this formation, I always lose on it. So that's something I have to learn as well. Okay. So 5 minutes. What the fuck is EU doing or GU? Okay. So 1 hour. So it might still be bearish. Okay. Maybe looking for more sell side. But like, here's my thing, bro. Like, I don't just want to get in because I think it's gonna keep going down. Like, I want to have logic behind it. And my logic was, it tapped into a CE, it's rejecting off of it, has a fair value gap, has some sell side. I mean, has some buy side, it still hasn't taken out. So that's my logic. But if I just wanted to short G because I think it's gonna go down and because of this drawn liquidity, like, I don't just want to do that because price can very easily retrace and then keep going, you know? So it's like, you gotta be careful with these markets, man. So for NQ, still dropping. still dropping. I mean, I guess you could say this was a. But that's my thing. I don't sell below old lows and I don't buy below old high or above old highs. I don't do that shit. I don't do that shit, man. Damn, bro. YM so clean. YM is clean. I wish I would have took it. I wish I would have took it. You said, bro, if you're gonna be trading EU, at least as a US dollar's confluence. You missed the market structure shift, bro. You answered too early. What do you mean? You missed the market structure shift. You said use a DXY. I am, bro. I just don't use it on the. I just don't use it like on the 1 minute. I don't like it. But you know, it is something to keep in mind. You said you weren't you gonna start a funny challenge. Bees, my G. Yes. But I'm not ready for it, bro. Like real shit. Maybe okay, so maybe I'm looking at too many things, okay? I gotta chill out. I feel like I'm the only one who fucking hates iced coffee. I can't stand iced coffee, bro. That shit is nasty. That shit is like nasty. So maybe GU's about to go up. A minute. You said, it's in risk influence, so it can help you with your direction. No, bro, I definitely agree with you, my G. That's facts. I mean, I was looking at it earlier. I don't know if you saw that, but, nah, but fucking, what was I gonna say? Okay, so reason I haven't been using it as much recently is, bro, like I'm gonna just take you for a quick trip. Like you probably already know this, but okay, let's look at the 1 hour. Let's look at the 1 hour, okay? Let's look at, hold on. Look at CYM, okay? YM 1 hour. Okay, let's go 927. Okay. 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 Tell me, please explain, elaborate how this is correlating right here. July. Okay, nah, maybe I'm tripping. Okay, maybe not this example, okay? I'll be real about that. But, dude, recently, 15-minute, 5-minute confluence, fucking DXY and YM and NQ and ES, it has not been working out. I understand that it works for Forex pairs, and that's why I've been looking at it, but for the pairs I've been trading, like YM and ES and shit, hell the fuck nah. That shit has not been correlating. So that's why I haven't been looking at it, okay? At least not for trading futures. Okay, so we might have a market structure shift right here. said I got a matcha coffee right now from Starbucks. I don't think I've ever had matcha. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, where you from? My brother. Nah. I'm from Colombia, but I live on the West Coast. Yeah. You said I am from India. Why do you prefer 1 minute? You're comparing EQ. What? Oh, yes. And then Q. Don't use Dixie for indices. Only Dixie. Only for indices. You don't need Dixie. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I used to. When Nas was correlating with the Dixie, like actually correlating, I used to. But since like April, bro, since April, or not April, but like the beginning months of June, or the beginning days of June, I felt like shit was just off. Like I know, bro, and I know it's not just me because I know a lot of good traders. Um, I talk to these people and they're like, "Yeah, man, just shit's not, shit's not hitting the way it used to." But obviously, you have to take some accountability, okay? And I am, okay? I understand I'm shit at this right now, but it's not gonna be like that forever. Um, yeah, I don't really see this shit doing anything, honestly. Colombian the Escobar, fuck yeah, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes I wish I was Mexican. I love my Colombians. Don't get me wrong, but sometimes Mexico be being lit as fuck. Um, but yeah, I'm Colombian like Escobar, and I'm Mexican like El Chapo. You feel me? Yeah. Nah, it's funny because I was watching El Chapo, um, the Netflix series. See if I can look it up right here. I was watching El Chapo. You feel me? Okay, it's just playing around. Bro, this is what I hate. Like around 11 a.m. is when shit actually starts to get popping. So I don't know. I might stay on for a little bit longer today. But I definitely have to go around like 8:20 because I have shit to do. And I can't just be staring at these motherfucking candlesticks all day. Um. Okay, so yeah, we're in Southside right now. Okay, this Southside right. Fucking hell, bro. I hate being on the 1 minute sometimes. Um, this Southside right here. This Southside right here. We bounced off the consequent encroachment, and on the DXY, we're kind of still there as well. So, our bias right now is bullish. So we'll see if we get a nice market structure shift or displacement, and then if a value gap entry. Good mentality, bro. I don't know about which part, but fuck yeah, bro. Being Mexican is lit. You're Mexican, bro? Chapo Keenan. I'm sell side from 1.26894. And GU sell side, I'm in profit now in 5 minute time frame trying paper trading. GU sell side? What you mean? Okay, yeah, I'm definitely getting in this bitch. Okay, see, this is the patience that I'm trying to work on. Okay, waiting for shit like this. Okay, okay, like I know I took this, I take full accountability for it, but I swear to God, I thought this shit was flipping. So, you can't really blame me. Okay. Yeah, this is right here is what I was waiting for. I'm gonna put my stop like right here, and then I'm gonna wait for that value gap to get tapped into, and the rest will be history. Okay. My take profit is definitely gonna be a 1 of 3, like around here. It'll be in like a discount zone from like here to here. So, and it's aiming a little bit further, but I also have faith in these gaps that they'll get tapped into sooner or later. I mean, if it wants to tap me right now, it can do that. Okay, I'm gonna get my MT4 ready. Okay, I'm in that bitch. Boom. Okay, I'm in that bitch. Alright, I'm gonna ride it to like around 18 pips. We have like a 5.5 pip stop. Okay, I'm going for like 18 handles. Is that a handle? One handle equals 1 pip. Bro, I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know. I'm just, I'm just trading, okay? GU 1.26894, you said? Oh, word, you're shorting? Nice. I guess it's me versus you, bro. Yeah, I want to see a nice little reaction off of that fair value gap. Get us into some discount zones. Yeah. I'm gonna go break even up here, or I'm gonna take out. You know what? I'm gonna take out 75% up here. Okay. How big is my stop right here? It says it's 5.3 pips. So like right there. Boom, boom. So yeah, it's like right there. Okay. And then I'm aiming like for 17 pips. 17 seems ideal. Feel me? You hit TP on NQ. Oh, word, you shorted. Bro, good for you. I mean, you got balls for shorting underneath those lows. Like, but me personally, I'm good. Like, I did it once and it worked out. But me personally, I can't do that. But yeah, this is gonna be the last trade of the day because I'm tired as hell. So, I'm gonna see if this works out or not. También me dijo un arriero. Hell yeah, brother. We're in that bitch. Okay, so what the Dixie doing? Okay, what I don't like is that it's accumulating and it's likely to rail above these highs. That's what I don't like. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Cause like this is sell side liquidity right now. I ain't gonna lie. So, you know, you gotta be, you know. I'm using Silver Bullet from 10 to 11 a.m. Bro, time-based strategy. Yeah, me too. I just recently I've been noticing that price has been moving a lot more at 11 a.m. than 9 to 10. Like, bro, okay, let's be real. Okay, this is obviously movement. Okay, I'm not saying it's not moving. But what I am saying is at least my drawn liquidity, right? So like my drawn liquidity was obviously these lows and that daily for value gap. Like I watched literally all of this unfold, but it just didn't align with what I thought was gonna happen. Okay, and so that's why I didn't go short because I was waiting for longs, you know. And what the fuck is going on here? So I guess like maybe like I'm not scared of taking setups. It's just like my one of my biggest rules is I'm not gonna sell in premium, and I'm not gonna buy in discount. So like if it's too fucking high or it's too fucking low, like obviously there was hella entries for NQ shorts, right? You could have gotten here. That was 945, but you could have, I don't know, gotten fucking here, like whatever, right? That's obviously hindsight, but my drawn liquidity is okay. We took out some old lows. This is an old low. This is an old low. This is a fair value gap right here. I'm looking for longs. I'm not looking for shorts. Yeah, I might get clapped here. I ain't gonna lie. I guess it's also another thing, like, because of these live streams, I am being forced to, like, look at the market and open MT4 and shit. It's not like somebody's holding a gun to my head, but it's like I feel like I have to take a trade. I don't know, I obviously don't have to, but I don't know. No, it's something I'm getting better at, okay? 10 to 11 New York time? Yes. I love how your name is Yasser. Cool name, bro. I have no trade for today. See you tomorrow. For sure. That's exactly what I just said. Like you're a G for not trading today. Even though you saw this movement. Okay, so yeah, I might be getting stopped here. But yeah, bro, something I definitely need to work on is being patient. I know I mentioned this in one of my videos. Like taking notes while you're live trading is very it's important to really see like what you're fucking doing wrong. But like as you can tell here, my drawn liquidity has so like my drawn liquidity has been okay. Like it's not been that bad, but like the way I think a price is gonna get there, that's where it's kind of bad, So like I was watching or I was listening to one of ICT's Twitter Spaces, and he was basically, this is one of his quotes. This is what he said. He was like, the way you avoid failing in trading is not looking at temporary setbacks as definitive failure. So like these past couple of weeks have definitely set me back mentally. Like I'm not even gonna cap, mentally it's definitely setting me back because it just makes you feel like I don't know how to fucking trade. But like I really do. Like I understand what I'm looking for. It's just like I don't know, something in the air today. Okay, something in my environment. Okay, I take full responsibility, right? But at the same time, it's like it definitely drains you mentally because it's like fuck, like damn, like 2 straight weeks of losing. Like holy shit, you're shit. You're shit at trading. But it's like I don't look at that and be like, and I'm not gonna look at that and define myself as a trader because of that. I'm not gonna let that define me. Okay, like I've been in this for long enough to understand that there's gonna be periods like this where you're just gonna feel like such a shitty trader. Okay, and I guess that's what psychology is meant to prepare you for. Like I know people like all they care about is psychology, and that's cool, but obviously the technical side matter and also psychology. So I mean, if you're not psychologically prepared to go through periods like this, I think this is where like most people quit, and that's what keeps me going, honestly, because I know that I'm gonna be great at this. I don't really give a fuck what anyone on the internet has to say or anybody in my circle has to say. Like if you're in my circle telling me that shit, you're not a part of my circle, period. Okay, but yeah, like it's just you just have to have so much belief in yourself, bro. Okay, like for anybody watching, can you explain your entry? For sure, bro. So I'm gonna do this in the recap anyways, but I'll do it again. So basically on the daily, we're respecting this consequent encroachment of this fair value gap right here. And on the 1 minute, I know that's a big jump from the daily to the 1 minute, but trust me, bro. um, so we bounce off of here. This is like the consequent encroachment right here. My first entry was like right here. Hold on. My first entry was like right here. Okay. At this fair value gap right here, I thought I was gonna, I thought it was gonna be a G, and fucking go all the way up here to your mom's place. I'm playing, but price played around a little bit and then started breaking some more structure. Right here, this is a market structure shift. Right here, and when I saw that nice displacement, I was like, okay. And then I saw this fair value gap right here. Obviously, you could have taken the lower one as well. Usually I take those, but I'm not playing around. I'll just take the nearest one. And then, so I'll take that. I took that, and now we're running around 6 pips. So time to look at for buy ES. You're looking to buy ES? Or US 500, sorry. I'm playing, bro. Oh, because it took this liquidity. This right here. I feel you, but it's going to come down here. Like, my honest opinion, it's going to go down there, okay? Let's look at EU. I like how this trade is playing out. I guess more sell side or buy side would be up here. Like long term, like intraday, I'm talking like hours, few hours. Up here, this is my drawn liquidity. So, I mean, regardless, my drawn liquidity will always be a 1 of 3, but that's like my visual chart drawn liquidity. You said I had taken a total of 5 trades in 1 hour, 3 trades stop loss and 1 TP, another 50% booked and break even, covered all losses with 20% extra. Let's meet tomorrow, Keenan. That's good, man. Good discipline right there. You took 5 trades and 3 of them lost. Hell yeah, 1 TP. I mean, that's the power of risk to reward, right? That's good, man. That's good. Okay, so right now I'm moving my stop loss to under here. That's where my stop loss is currently. So, yeah. Okay, so we have this breaker right here. Okay, don't come at me if I'm not drawing it correctly, okay? I don't really use breakers like that. I haven't even studied them. I just know they're there, okay? Hold on, let me see. No, not fucking text. That's that breaker, okay? Thank you for explaining. No problem, G. Damn, bro. It's already 8:10. Bro, I'm about to dip. The fuck? I don't have time for this shit. GU, doing the usual GU business. I feel like this long was short-lived. We might be hitting stops, honestly. I believe in the trade, but, I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I will still be holding you like this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream right here, and I'm gonna just let the trade play out. So, thank you for watching. If you're watching, it's been an okay day. I mean, we took that one loss, but what the fuck can you do about it, man? So, I'll make a trade recap real quick, and then I'm gonna get out the charts. So, yeah, have a good day, man. Peace.